So, in this session, let's try to understand what is the exact use case of the assembly, and by using the assembly, how we can build the relationship between to the projects. We know that assemblies plays a crucial role in the linking the projects and sharing the code by allowing the one project to access the functionalities defined in another. They also provide the essential system references that support the application development by default. So here in the snippet, you can understand there is a one solution. Here in the solution, we are having the two projects. Let's say project A and project B. Now here in the project A related, information, I wanted to uh, transfer to the project B. So that what I have to do, I have to take the reference of the project A to the project B, right? So that if you wanted to transport the information from project A to the project B, I mean, if you want to send the information of the project A to the project B, then I have to take the reference of the project A, so that here once you are compile the code, automatically you can get the DLL of the project A. So once you refer the DLL of the project A, then you can get the all the information about the project A to the project B, right? So information of the project A, in the sense you can see that class A, class B, class C, like that. This is the kind of information under the project A. So this information, I mean class A, class B, class C, this information I can access into the project B because of I have taken the reference of the project A. So here the assembly of the project A, which is useful for us to get the information from the project A. We will prepare the one example about this so that you can understand more about the assembly. So the main key points of the assemblies here, in the sense which is useful for to connecting to the multiple projects. So assemblies act as a support files that allow the project A reference and use the functionalities which is defined in the project B. By adding the reference to an assembly, we can easily establish the relationships between to the projects, and we can easily share the reusable logics into the projects. So default .NET assemblies, we can say that when you build a project, some default assemblies are automatically referenced to the support common application functionalities. So for example, you can say here system.dll file, system.core file. These are the default .NET assemblies whenever you are going to create the project. Automatically, these files will be generated by the compiler. So these references, I mean system.core, system.data, whatever these references, I mean these assemblies, we can find out the project references folder. So here we can get the information about the default assemblies of the project. And keep in mind, in this snippet, system.dll file is the default file, and project A, here I am giving the manual reference to the project B. So all these activities we will do by taking the one example so that we can understand the way how we can build the relationship between to the projects. We will check this into the next session.